Yo, what's happening? I've made a trip to Texas to hang out with the family, and my brother has a few things need done to his car. So we're gonna get started on changing out the valve cover gasket. So I'm gonna take y'all along, and hopefully in some future videos we'll get some footage on this bad boy. It is here with my brother in San Antonio for the winters, and it'll be back with me in the summer in Colorado. So before starting, we're gonna remove the negative battery terminal and then start taking off this plastic covering. All right, so we just took off this cover. It's just these little things. It was kind of scary to pull on, but you just lift that straight up, so don't be worried about pulling that up. And then this one right here, those are the two connectors. All right, so next we're going to be taking off these 4 clips here and keep you updated after. We got all 4 of those unplugged, and this side comes up, but there's this one clip here. You just push it in and it comes right up. Next we'll be taking out these 10mm bolts. So far, everything that we've taken out has been 10mm. There you go. I did from left to right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh. All right, next we're gonna remove these wires from the alternator here. Ooh. That's an inside boy. Oh, let me get that one. Got all this disconnected from the alternator. Disconnected it from around this backside and then zip tied it up to the strut mount. Now we're going to remove the O2 sensor kind of housing here. So remove this sensor from here first, and then struggled for a bit to get this off from this little clip. There is a clip right there, and that's how you get that off. Next we're going to be taking apart They're taking these hoses off back here and some of the harnesses from this backside. All right, so I got these 2 removed. This one was kind of a pain. It was nice having a light from somebody else holding the light. But next we're gonna move on to the Pcv hose here. And so we'll just be removing this, and for some reason there's a hose over a hose. So we'll just be pulling from here and then pulling it straight down. All right, we're to the point where we can finally take this off. There's 10 bolts here, and then I believe this one here is going to be a little bit different. You may need a deep well socket, but so we got the valve cover off, and the kit with the gasket came with these covers, so we're going to replace those. They take a, let's see, number 20. Can't see it, but promise it says it. So we got all this area cleaned up and all of the gasket maker removed, and so we're about to get the gasket back on this, the new one, and then we're gonna, after we get it on there, we'll put gasket maker here, back here. So on the timing chain cover, there's that connects to the head. You're gonna want to do it there, and then in this corner here, and then this other corner here. So obviously before you add more, you're going to want to clean this whole area off, and you'll feel where it was before, so just replace it where it was before. All right, we're getting that last bit in the corner, and then so we've got that one, and one right there back. All right, so we got it put back on, and you can see the gasket is kind of smushing out. And so now we're just going to kind of attack it from all angles and put it back together. So we got this all put back together. We're gonna give this a little bit more time to dry. Let's see if I can tell if it's wet just from this. Yeah, it's still wet. It's already past midnight, but we're gonna give this a little bit more time to dry and before testing it, and I'll let you know how it goes. Just did a test drive on it and everything worked out well. There's no drips or anything. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys next time.